Hi everyone. Unbalance occurs when the shaft's mass center line does not coincide with its geometric center line. Primarily, it is of two types: a single plane unbalance and a two plane unbalance. The common causes of unbalance are non uniform density of material, porosity in casting, gain of material during operations, that is, dust accumulation, keys and keyways, wear of machine components, cavitation caused damage on pump impellers. Unbalance in the absence of other problem causes a pure sinusoid, one of the only problems that does not distort the signal shape in some manner, and therefore generates a peak at 1 into RPM. The unbalanced symptoms are a radial vibration at 1 into RPM, phase around bearing shifts with transducer shift of a 90 degree. Transducer shift causes a 90 degree phase shift. The right side animations would provide you further clarity.